Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left, we have the Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera 3-pack, and on the right, we have the virtavo security cameras wireless outdoor. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to video quality, both cameras offer impressive features. The Arlo Essential Spotlight camera records in full high definition, providing a clear picture with its 1080p resolution. Plus, its wide 130 viewing angle allows you to see more of your property. On the other hand, the virtavo security camera also offers 1080p full HD resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured accurately. It even has starlight color night vision, allowing you to see motions clearly, even in low light conditions. Now let's talk about installation and ease of use. The Arlo Essential Spotlight camera offers a wireless setup, making it easy to install and providing increased flexibility in camera placement. It's a breeze to set up and recharge, making it convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. On the other hand, the virtavo security camera also boasts a 100% wire-free design, allowing for quick installation in just a few minutes. With its long battery life, you won't have to worry about frequent charging. When it comes to motion detection and notifications, both cameras excel. The Arlo Essential Spotlight camera, with its Arlo Secure plan, provides smarter alerts for people, vehicles, packages, and even animals. You'll receive instant notifications right on your phone's lock screen, enabling quick action. Similarly, the virtavo security camera utilizes advanced PIR detection and AI algorithms, ensuring that you receive real-time notifications as soon as suspicious motion is detected. You can even set specific detection preferences within the app to reduce unnecessary alerts. Communication is key, especially when it comes to security cameras. The Arlo Essential Spotlight camera allows you to hear and speak to visitors with its clear two-way audio. It can even be used as a baby monitor, nanny cam, or pet camera. Additionally, it seamlessly works with popular smart home devices like Amazon, Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings. Now, the virtavo security camera also features built-in microphones and speakers, enabling two-way talk functionality. Plus, you can share the device with up to 5 users simultaneously, keeping everyone in the loop. Let's talk about storage options. The Arlo Essential Spotlight camera offers a trial of Arlo Secure, which includes 24/7 professional monitoring, 30-day cloud recording, advanced object detection, and more. This ensures that your important footage is securely stored and accessible anytime. On the other hand, the virtavo security camera allows you to record videos to either an SD card or their cloud service. With storage options of up to 256 gigabytes and affordable cloud plans, you'll never miss a crucial moment. Both the Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera 3-pack and the virtavo security camera's wireless outdoor have their unique strengths. The Arlo camera impresses with its high-quality video, wide viewing angle, and seamless integration with smart home devices. On the other hand, the virtavo camera shines with its easy installation, long battery life, and advanced motion detection capabilities. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thank you for watching Buy Smart. See you next time.